Kidi. Kamachelo Bernard Kavuli, rawera majaini prario kadangwen mane ondhi kanyakla gi rawere mamoko odiochieng' ma kawuono nochopo e sendo obila mangong mar ndiko dhoge ka obila bang' ka nowe thuolo. Lydia Okeyo nochopo e sendo obila mangong kama ne oyangoe kokalo kuom kinde mage ni giiko keto e lela midhiero mane okadhe koriwo kodaka liedo mano e yor achune.
Ndalo ariyo bang' weyo thuolo kaluwore gi ndhicho mare, Bernard Kavuli gi okinde mage nochopo e sendo obila mangong kama ne gindiko e dhoge kotenre gi ndhicho makamano. Kokalo kuom okil mare Wambui, oyangore ni Kavuli noneno mako lwer e lwet jondhicho mage manochwe ma oliele gi thuon.
There are some very nasty things that happened. Yes. Our client is known to be very hairy, but you can see. And this is something that he did not voluntarily accept. He did not accept to be shaved. He did not accept to be taken through those experiences. But these are things that we shall be detailing so that we can share with the public. For the record,
Kavuli mabende oyangre ni en jatich ruoth noriko ya od lamo e kinde manomonje kendo ondhiye oyango ni nomiye siem mager ni kik otem fulo midhiero manokaloe to kata kamano chir mare e kwedo maricho matimre pacho kae kendo obedo ni en jafwambo owacho ni miyo ok onyal lingang.
He is actually one of you. He's a journalist like you. Remember, he's also a priest. He's a priest, and the question that we are now ask ourselves is, are the priests who've been questioning the government and probably the excesses that have been happening in this country at a risk? For that, he was warned against speaking to the media, but that he's not choosing to keep mum today because of the threats. No, he's a brave man, he's a gallant soldier.
Olero ni Kavuli no penjo modhuro anyato kotenre gi ote ma osebedo kodire mbui manenore kagima keto tesre tend William Ruto.
The questioning that surrounded, the circumstances of his abduction were largely due to his tweets. Things that he's been tweeting. So he was taken in and asked questions, brutalized, beaten up because of the views that he holds as a member of the Republic of Kenya, as a youthful leader, someone who understands very well what is happening in the country as far as the political sphere is concerned.
Olero benenin tiere weche moko matut magigeto lero e andika margi mar affidavit magibiro chwale doho bang' ndalo abiriyo. Ka bende olero ni ok onyal yango wenge jondhichogo to kata kamano onyalo paro duondgi.
We have been given 7 days by my Lord Justice Bahati Mwamuye to go and put in further affidavits. Before Friday, he should be undergoing some psychiatrist treatment so that when he has a time to have a sit down and brief the whole country as to what transpired during that period of time, people can understand him. He can say things with clarity of mind and that clear perspective of what transpired. And he did not have an opportunity of seeing the faces of his abductors. But at the very least, he is able to recognize the voices. There were people who were masked. There were people who obviously did not want to show their identity.
E kinde mamoko kuom rawere manoondhi osebedo kakwepo wuoyo e midhiero mane gikaloe, Kavuli onyiso chir mare ni ok obilur ngang' keto e lela midhiero manokadhoe e lwet jondhichogo. Lydia Okeyo, Ramogi TV.
Erokamano, Lydia.